Well, good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
It's Tuesday of opening week of rifle season. It's been about, I say, 15-20 minutes now, so around 7:20. I dropped a pretty nice buck, about 200 yards. So we're just giving it a little bit of time and we'll go down there and take a look at him.
And just to update you about his other deer, we never found it. But actually, we got a picture of it on the deer camera and it's still alive, up and walking.
So that's good too. So stay tuned.
Okay, we got down off the stand. That's we call it the penthouse. So we're gonna walk down and give this buck a look. It's a lot easier walking and finding our deer now because they got the beam, so. Let's go check her out. Oh yeah, that's nice.
A little high.
Huh?
Get him a little high.
He's nice. Oh.
9 pointer. 8 pointer.
Let's see. Well, what'd you think?
Nice buck.